Football lovers, sanibonani. Welcome to PK Sports with Bongi Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle, niyaphila. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Danko. When the team does well, football fans' brains create 5 layers, which means the club, whatever that it is doing, it makes it to be appreciated by the fans, which is the first layer that the brain creates because it receives what is good. That emotion, it is important. After creating appreciation, it creates anticipation. That's when now you realize, good, no, the club is doing well because of 1 and 2. So whatever that is happening, it is good for the brain. And then it switches to the third layer, which is called expectation. That's when we expect it now, since when the team is doing well, we want it to play this kind of football. You want it to do these kind of things, to win by these goal margins. Bese iyasuka ingqondo futhi i-create ini entitlement. That's when you feel entitled because the club, what is offering, sekumnandi kuba nayo. You feel like ukuthi akusamelanga isuke, mele iyenzeke every time. Bese iya-shift again. So it create another layer, the 5th layer, which is called a dependence. So you depend on the things that make the club win. But thinking bese iyaqala if when those things no longer happen, that's when they say with the empires, they don't just fall, they dilapidate. Washo kurulana Mokoena. The same thing that Chiefs is doing now, it is good for the eye and for the brain because you understand that winning, it is important, especially if you're going to win back-to-back games. That builds and creates momentum within the club. So they see the importance of winning. But mind you, put in mind that it creates envy, not from other people, but also it creates envy from other people, mean other FC's fans. And the best way to make sure that the things that are happening that are good don't go too far is by making sure to destroy them as soon as possible. Why am I saying this? Now, Baba Mteto just confirmed that the Kaizer Chiefs can win the league, can win Nedbank Cup, and also they can win CAF Confederation Cup. If they do only one thing, keep on doing the things that they are doing to win games. What Coach Khalid Ben Yusuf said in post-match interview, I spoke with the Giants, arranged some meetings and made sure that we emphasize this thing with let's play to win games. Because we've been playing beautiful football which wasn't helpful for the club. We were not getting the results that we wanted. But now, with statements Kababa Mteto, it is true. The only club that is standing in the way of Chiefs achieving a treble is Kaizer Chiefs itself. But now, with everything that is happening now, when Chiefs started the season, there were no expectations. They were playing freely, making sure they move with the flow. That's what happens because you are not expecting anything, but still you are doing something good and it is positive. But now, the fact that now there's light at the end of the tunnel, that's where now people stand to realize Kaizer Chiefs were actually the dark horses for the league and the other competitions that they are playing. Says I keep a black label because Sapu makes it. But one thing I know about Imbilo, even isitha sakho, the best way to destroy your enemy, awumshayi, no, uyamncoma. Compliment that person. By doing that, umenza kuti akhukhumale, and then makakhukhumala kanjalo emqondweni sekayitshela ukuthi yonke lento lena bekayenza sebimfikisile la imfikisa khona, and then again now sekuzoba nama external pressures. That's when now Kaizer Chiefs will start dropping points, start losing momentum, because people, when they see like the club is doing well, even the players, they think, no, sesifukile endumisweni. Even the players that are fighting to get ama contract extensions, after they get them, there's a high possibility that they might drop the ball. But we just hope that doesn't happen. But for Chiefs, now that there's a target on their backs, simply means now they are playing with pressure. And playing with pressure simply means no mistakes. And many teams now will be eyeing to make sure the Kaizer Chiefs doesn't win games. And that alone will then come to an issue. Is Chiefs compatible? Are the players compatible? Because now we know very well those questions will be asked. But for now, since things are like they are very smooth, they are flowing, there's nothing questioned yet. But the moment they hit a stumbling block, that's where everything will be revealed. So the best way for Chiefs is to make sure they don't allow the noise get into your head, but focus grinding the result. Because the fans get excited when you win, but when you don't, they'll be on your case. So if there's only one club that can stand in the way of Chiefs achieving anything good, is Chiefs itself. So the best way for them is to make sure they are not dropping the ball, but continue with the momentum. So manje into emele sesifaka emqondweni ukuthi these gents, when they play, you can see now they are playing with confidence, they are playing with structure, and they are playing because they know there's a catch. That's what most people say. When Kaizer Chiefs players sign for Chiefs, they should be Kaizer Chiefs material. I didn't understand that until now. These players, most people might say they are not worthy of donning the gold and black jersey. But one thing about them, winning that Nedbank Cup, it brought something in them, the belief they are capable. The players that we thought will never improve, they are showing exactly that they are capable. So criticizing, let's just stop okwamanje. We will see ngokuhamba kwesikhathi what is the mandate for the club. Coach Khalil Ben Yusuf and Cedric Kaze, Elias Mzoki, Maji Safi, they are doing everything within their power to make sure the ship is being steered in the right direction. Now ngicela sikhulume naye enye indaba. Kaizer Chiefs, if you have noticed, this season they are very secretive. I don't know is it part of their plan to make sure that the club does things that will benefit them, make sure they are doing it for the betterment of the club. Because Kaizer Chiefs, you will get their players that are injured, but they won't update you. Moluyozwa nge external source no khona player injured, even if player sel recovery abakutshela next ubona ngalo seluye enkundleni. So is that another strategy of them trying bawine ama games? Because one thing I've learned is that if you are an observing person, it becomes easier for you to understand what is happening around you. So if you observe, understand the mentality, the behaviors of our fans. So the best way to deprive someone something to talk about is to not give him that. Let him assume. But when assume formlessness. ungabaniki something to talk about. That's what Kaizer Chiefs is doing, because we are not being updated uRushun Dodli ukuthi road to recovery kwenzakalani. Thabo Cele asazi next ukuthi why angadlali. We don't know anything about Abu Dupreez, Duba, Eden Chislet, Nkanyiso Shinga. There are many players that we are not being updated about, but it's only them that knows what is happening, of which I think it is a good way of managing their club, because in the previous seasons we should be rectifying those mistakes that we're doing, because us as fans also, we do have isandla ekubeni team yethu ingenzi kahle. Even management banesandla ekubeni team ingenzi kahle in the previous seasons, but now it seems like they are willing to change things so that we can see ukuthi kuba khona inqubekela phambili. That's why you see the coaches, when they do post-match analysis, they are doing them with confidence. Simply means ukuthi they have belief ukuthi they will change the fortunes of the Kaizer Chiefs.